What's up guys, this is Swastick Acharya from Swastick Multi-Creative Galaxy and I'm sharing with you today a new tutorial in Adobe Illustrator regarding a simple and creative business card designing. For this design, I'm going to take the standard page size of Printable Business Card Design, which is 3.5 into 2 inches of width and height with 0.1 to 5 inches of grid sizes and CMYK color mode with 300 resolution. Although there are a lot of creative ideas you can apply in your own business card design, but in this tutorial I am trying to apply some basic and simple creative methods to make this design perfect and an attractive one, and to make it an understandable design for you guys, especially if you are a beginner and newly learning about Adobe Illustrator. I hope through this tutorial anyone can take a good idea about how to design a basic and creative business card in Illustrator. Those guys who have at least a basic creative knowledge in Illustrator tools and effects, I don't think it will be a complicated design to understand. So please watch the tutorial till the end and let me know in the comment box if you have any queries or any better new suggestions. I hope you will enjoy and take some better idea from this design, and if you feel so, then never forget to hit the like thumb and share with others. If you are newly watching my channel, then please subscribe to it and turn on the notification bell to stay connected and updated with every new designs from my channel. So thank you very much guys. Keep designing, keep learning, stay tuned with Swastick MC Galaxy, stay safe and always take care.